Hi, welcome to The Seeking Soul. If you are new to our channel, we are a couple who are leaving city life behind and moving to the mountains along with our dog, Star. Don't forget to check out our introduction video, we will link it up there.
When we told people about our plans, a lot of folks wanted to know more about that. There were questions like, how did we even think about this idea? ये decision हमने कब लिया? कैसे लिया? हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं? How did we figure out our volunteering plan? How are we going to travel? Have we thought about our future? पहाड़ की ज़िंदगी अक्सर बहुत difficult होती है, तो how are we going to manage that? So a lot of these questions are there, and we are trying through this video to answer them. These dreams have been in our head for many years now.
Yeah, we always wanted to do something that makes us happy and at the same time benefits others.
So I have always wanted to explore teaching, wanted to give it a shot at some point in life. And then Ankita is a Zumba instructor, and I think she enjoys a lot anyways.
Absolutely, I love teaching. Matlab, it gives me so much happiness. I can't tell you. Every time I walk into the room in front of my students, I am this changed person. I really enjoy being there and teaching my students.
Yeah. So when we went to the mountains as a getaway from the entire COVID chaos in September 2020, during that 6 months, I think we got that clarity and courage which we hadn't for the last many years, despite having those ideas in our head. हमको ये लगा कि अभी नहीं तो कभी नहीं. We decided that right now is the time, this is the moment when we want to take this leap of faith.
One of the first questions that people have asked us is that how did we get to know about these volunteering opportunities in Ladakh or generally in Himalayas?
Well, the obvious answer was internet. We did a lot of research. We found a lot of NGOs and government bodies, private bodies working in this space, because education levels and schooling levels, etc., in the remote areas of Ladakh especially, have not been the best, or like a little behind comparatively, let's say, to the plains and the metro cities. So there's a lot of work already happening. All we had to do was figure out some of these places, and many of them allow you to apply online, or you can write an email and send an application. So we did that, and we heard back from a lot of them. So different NGOs are looking for different things. So they screen you, they talk to you, and they figure out what is it that you want to do over there, how you can contribute, and accordingly they sort of offer you an opportunity to work with them. Ladakh is a very extreme and can be a very rough terrain at times, very unpredictable weather, not the best of the roads all the times. I've seen places where there is a road today and there is a river tomorrow at the same place. So hence, one of the key things was that we needed a vehicle which is reliable, which is comfortable, and which can actually take us as well as a Star, along with all the stuff that we'll need for the months to come, all in one place. So hence, when we did our research, we figured out that a 4x4 vehicle is a must, because it gives you a lot of safety net for that one particular day when you might get stuck. We need a big enough vehicle, and as we research more and more, we zeroed down on the Mahindra Thar. So we have booked one. We are looking forward to the delivery very soon.
So one of the important thing about all this decision of moving to mountains was to come back to Bangalore and figure out how we're gonna wrap up things, because we have been staying in Bangalore for last 8 years and we have so much stuff in our house, and of course we can't carry all of that to the mountains. We want to travel only with essentials. So we are trying to wrap up everything. We are selling our belongings, some of it we are donating, and only the bare essentials we are going to take with us to the mountains. So for donation, people ask, so if you are based out of Bangalore, I would highly recommend that you check out an NGO called Sishu Mandir, which is located in KR-Puram.
Yeah.
And they accept donations of all kinds, like clothes, books, household stuff, everything. They are pretty good. I suggest you check them out. And if you are anywhere across India, you have Goonj centers. One of the most important lessons that we learned in mountains is try and reuse and recycle as much stuff as you can. Please don't throw it in the dustbin. let that stuff go to someone who really needs it and will be happy to use it.
As we wrap up from the city and we move to the mountains, the most essential thing that we have done is securing our future. हम बेसिकली अपना टर्म इंश्योरेंस प्लान करवाना और मेडिकल हेल्थ कवर करवाना. वी वर वर्किंग इन कॉर्पोरेट्स, हमारी जॉब्स हमेशा हमको एक इंश्योरेंस कवर देती रही हैं, पर जैसे ही हम अपनी नौकरी छोड़ते हैं, हम जॉब से बाहर आते हैं, द मेडिकल कवर और द लाइफ कवर गोज अवे. सो यू हैव टू एंश्योर दैट व्हेन यू आर ऑन योर ओन, you take care of your future and be prepared for any scenario.
Medical facilities in the mountains are not always great, and especially in our case, since we are going to be living in villages, a nearest doctor or a hospital can be few to many kilometers away, and hence we want to be prepared. So we are getting a physical test done, which includes like a full body profile, so that anything that needs addressing can be done before we leave for the mountains.
We're also carrying a first aid box which carries all the basic medication plus a first aid kit for any basic things that we can take care of ourselves. This whole thing applies also for Star, because while there may be medical facilities for humans, for dogs it's possible कि हमें कोई भी veterinary clinic नज़दीक ना मिले. एंड स्टार के लिए इसीलिए हम जाने से पहले एक वेट के पास प्रॉपर चेकअप कराएंगे और उसकी सारी बेसिक मेडिसिन्स कैरी करेंगे. In spite of a lot of planning, life in mountains can be very challenging and difficult, and hence you need to be very, very prepared. Be it clothing, camping, cooking equipment, how to prepare a vehicle for driving around in mountains. आपको हर चीज के लिए तैयार रहना है. So we shall be covering a lot of this content in our upcoming videos. Stay tuned.
I hope we have answered some of your questions. We still have a long list that we would be covering in our upcoming videos. तो अगर आपके पास भी कोई सवाल है, तो please leave them in the comment section below. We would love to address as many as we can. Keep watching and do like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.
See you.